I'm good. I'm watching you play. The only thing I will say, okay, is I've had some wonderful conversations, truthfully, with some anti-protesters. Because that's who I am. I'm not here to argue or fight with anybody. I'm looking to solve. I'm a retired firefighter. I was taught to solve problems. I'm a problem solver. And the people I spoke to, one of their main beefs, which we were able to discuss, one of their main beefs was that we shouldn't be here. And when we chatted, I said, well, where else can we be? Like I told them, I made it clear to them and they understood. I said, I wish they built these federal buildings in the middle of nowhere. So it'd be harder for the politicians to get to them and they want to stay there longer perhaps. And secondly, if we want anybody, if they wanted to protest, they weren't going to interfere with anybody else's homes or livelihoods. But I said to these anti-protesters, where else can we go? That's where the buildings are. You know, and I just made it clear. I said, I'm sorry, but, you know, with no disrespect, you guys have chosen to live here.
So yeah, lovely day here in Ottawa.
With the back. You know, and they said, yeah, I can't really say anything against that.
Nice backdrop of the Peace
Tower.
Tower.
Really the only thing that because you know what, I was here for the trucker convoy as well. And these are unprecedented.
Yeah, it's like Pokemon Go.
I mean, many of the people that I did speak with that are anti-protesters, they said, well, this has never happened before. And we both were able to agree. We've never had this much turmoil within our within our
we got two angles for your interview now.
You know, I mean, I was told twice today. I parked out on Gilmore, which is about 7 blocks down. When I was walking up the street this morning with my Canadian flag
from
over
the
my
scavenger
shoulder,
hunt.
I was told to get to
do a camera shoot. What they need to do is have like multiple feeds in one channel, so you could have like people tag teaming, and then you could actually feed in multiple feeds into one channel, and people could flip between their angles. That would be pretty cool. The bikes are out on along the side now.
It's upside down.
Brother, how's it going? Well, the vibe is better today.
You know, I heard Jeff we're just all as I told the anti-protesters,
increase in mount.
Yeah.
But I'm heading out of here early, so.
Okay.
Are you? Well, I say early. This is gonna be 4 hours now. Let me just turn my camera.
Yeah. What is it? I've been on since 9:30 or something.
Now this battery charge is dead.
How many battery packs do you carry?
I got a lot. Someone gave me 5 the last time. One of the days in Ottawa, but I'll change.
I just have the one. I might need another one.
Do you need another?
I actually only have one.
So, here, hold on 1 second.
If you have a spare, I'll e-transfer you for it. So, hey, what's up, Viva crowd? So I'm just asking to steal a battery pack because I don't know which camera to look at. Anyway, to the Viva crowd, I just had an interview with CBC that I did live. You can go back and watch it, and I hope CBC doesn't use it improperly. Tried my best to word it very carefully, and but it's always concerning talking to CBC. But seemed like a good guy, and I'm hoping to be able to build a dialogue with him. So see how that goes. Hope you guys have fun. Hey, seemed like a good guy. Got to go for a ride in a sidecar. So check that out. See how that goes. You can go. Hope you guys have fun. Ride in a sidecar. If you guys didn't see, got to go for a ride in a sidecar. Bikes are now out on the designated routes outside the city. So that's what they're up to now. There's 3 routes that they went on. But you can go. There's 3. Rewind my live stream and you'll see going for a ride in the sidecar. That was pretty awesome. So rewind my live stream and you'll see going for a ride in the sidecar. That was pretty awesome. Oh, I see. StreamYard. That's I should try that. I just use the YouTube. StreamYard. It's fun. I should try that. I just use YouTube. Yeah. What else do we have to say? We're here on the hill. Yeah. What else do we have to say? We're here. It's great. Hill. Nice. It's great. A nice day out. Nice day out. Enjoying it. And we're gonna have a rally here soon. And what else do I want to say? Hey, great to be here. Check out Live from the Shed.
Take my camera back.
There we go. I was running out of content. I was running out of content.
Hold on 1 second. Is it working? It's working. So take this.
I appreciate
Pull
it.
it. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Boom.
I'll get you back for it.
My pleasure.
Because you're not just speaking for young people, you're also speaking for my generation. We've already been through.
You want to talk to the camera? Okay. Well, we can hear you. So if you don't mind. Okay. Because I'd like to.
We've already been through this. In the late 60s and 70s, we were out in front of our high schools marching for women's rights, and feel like you're finally in a country where, I mean, both my parents
Yeah,
fought
so
World War II.
we're just downtown here,
I think that you
and
finally got to the place where you have
yeah, I
to
do
live in
want to
this
ask
nice
about
country
the
and everything was going well
march
until the last 2 years.
and see his thoughts
Just
on that.
freedoms that we fought for.
I'm gonna get sunburned today,
on our
definitely.
behalf.
It's not
And,
framework is sacrificing your freedoms is what freedom means.
That's right.
You're free to sacrifice.
And the fact
Yeah,
that
I'm
free
going.
speech has been taken
So.
away to an extent now too. And
You wanna
if
keep this
don't
away?
agree with the,
Oh yeah. Well, no.
You hold it.
the narrative that they're spewing,
Yeah.
the party of power, then
Hey,
you're
thank you.
the other.
No, I mean, people get a chance to. Yeah, I should get a Camelback. I do have a Camelback. I didn't think of bringing that, but
Well, thank you very much.
But-
Thank you.
what's up?
Thank you, my pleasure. All right, I'm start heading back that way.
Yeah, no,
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
I was curious in your thoughts on what went down there last night. Do you have any?
Last night.
Did you examine some of the live footage and
No,
stuff?
well, so we had interviewed a number of witnesses. You get a bunch of different stories, but then you get ultimately at some point they were saying the cops let the bikes in and then shut it off. But what escalated the situation? They shoved a woman to the ground, and then a bunch of other protesters shoved the cops back, and allegedly that's what triggered.
They let the bikes in, but
Yeah.
did they let the trucks in?
Well, they had to let the trucks in.
Because they just followed in behind the bike.
I don't know that. I don't know. I was told by some that the trucks had a permit or like authorization to be there. Don't know. One way or another, the bikes and the trucks made it in.
Not
People
from
all
Frei,
over.
but it's Canada.
No, that's it. Anyhow, that was what I heard. But if ever you're going to go piece together the testimony, the evidence, stitch it together. In your
Yeah,
mind.
because there's a live stream of the truck coming in, and there's live streams from different angles, and so someone needs to go do some analysis. And that's
Not going to be me, but
No.
the internet is smarter and has more.
and then you could just share their video.
Absolutely. Oh,
Yeah.
so you're going to be live all day?
I'm gonna, as long as I can here.
All right.
Yeah.
Live to show people.
I appreciate
When
it.
I
Nice
turn
to see you
out-
again, brother.
Same.
Yeah, keep up the good work.
You too.
Yeah.
How you doing? Nice. All right, see you guys soon.
How's it going?
Yeah.
Hey, Dave.
What
Thank you very much.
Hey,
what a
Canada.
grind it is, eh? Just keep giving her.
So it went beautifully this morning?
It was beautiful this morning.
Yes.
It was really
Yes,
wonderful.
yes.
That we all hung out last night for some food and just console each other
And
after
a
all the drama.
debriefing
So
meeting.
I'm exhausted, but I'm feeling good. That
That's
was fun.
nice. Yeah. We have our
You did
counter
really great.
protesters like corralled over there. They're perfect.
There's a
The
couple
Ram,
over there,
Ram
too.
Ranch is in their corral.
The Ram Ranch is in
That's
the
what our
grill.
sign says. And so I think everything's better. The sun is out. People are calmer. Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
You done good. You done good. I just wish we could have had that nice march yesterday, but
I know. Well, we got another one.
we're doing a march.
We're doing
today?
it.
Okay, we're doing the march.
We're doing it. We need
Good.
to burn those calories.
There's so many. I'm hearing so many different things about. Yeah, well, Viva was just saying there too that he wondered. Someone said that they brought the bikes. They let the bikes in, and no, it's also
It's
strange.
really strange.
I can see them bringing bikes in. I can't imagine them allowing trucks in.
8 of them?